Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the 10 best-wheeled infantry fighting vehicles, IFVs, in the world. The armored beasts that combine speed, firepower, and troop-carrying power on the battlefield. From advanced protection systems to deadly cannons and missile launchers, these machines define modern ground warfare. So stay tuned as we count down the most powerful and battle-proven IFVs in service today. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Okay, now let's begin.
The ST Terex is an advanced 8x8 infantry fighting vehicle, developed by Singapore's ST Engineering, offering excellent digitized C4I, command, control, communications, computers, and intelligence systems. Designed for rapid deployment and network-centric warfare. It is powered by a 450 horsepower Caterpillar diesel engine, achieving speeds of over 105 km per hour on land, and around 10 km per hour in water. With a range of approximately 800 kilometers. It carries a crew of 2, and up to 11 troops. Its firepower options include a 12.7 mm machine gun, 40 mm automatic grenade launcher, remote weapon station, or a 30 mm cannon on some variants. Modular armor provides protection against small arms fire, mines, and IEDs. Defensive systems include smoke grenade launchers, NBC protection, and advanced battlefield management systems. Thermal cameras, day-night sensors, and 360-degree situational awareness technology enhance combat effectiveness. Its mobility, amphibious capability, protection, and digital connectivity make it one of the world's best-wheeled IFVs currently.
The BTR-4E, Bucephalus, is an advanced 8x8 amphibious infantry fighting vehicle. Developed by Ukraine's Kharkiv Morzov Design Bureau. It is powered by a 500 HP diesel engine. It reaches speeds of up to 110 km per hour on roads, and 10 km per hour in water, with an operational range of about 690 km. The vehicle carries 3 crew members, and up to 8 infantry troops. Its ground combat module features a 30 mm automatic cannon, 7.62 mm machine gun, automatic grenade launcher, and barrier anti-tank guided missiles. Modular armor protects against small arms fire, artillery fragments, mines, and IEDs. Its advanced thermal sights, laser rangefinders, day-night cameras, and digital fire control systems enhance accuracy. Smoke grenade launchers and NBC protection improve survivability. Its powerful armament, amphibious mobility, and combat-proven versatility make it one of the best-wheeled IFVs in service today. The BTR-82A is a modernized Russian 8x8 armored infantry fighting vehicle, developed from the BTR-80. It is powered by a 300 HP KAMAZ diesel engine. It reaches speeds of up to 100 km per hour on land, and around 9 km per hour in water, with a range of approximately 600 km. The vehicle carries a crew of 3, and up to 7 infantry soldiers. Its primary armament is a stabilized 30 mm 2A72 automatic cannon, paired with a 7.62 mm PKTM machine gun, providing effective fire support. Its armor protects against small arms fire and shell fragments, while an anti-mine floor improves crew survivability. Defensive systems include smoke grenade launchers, NBC protection, and fire suppression equipment. Advanced day-night sights, thermal imaging, and digital communications enhance battlefield awareness. Its reliability, amphibious mobility, firepower, and low operating cost make it one of the most widely used, and one of the best-wheeled IFVs in the world. The Lazar 3 is a modern 8x8 armored infantry fighting vehicle, developed by Serbia's Yugoimport SDPR. It is powered by a 500 HP Cummins turbocharged diesel engine. It reaches speeds of up to 110 km per hour, and has an operational range of around 800 km. The vehicle carries a crew of 3, and up to 9 infantry soldiers. Firepower options include a 12.7 mm heavy machine gun, 30 mm automatic cannon, grenade launcher, or anti-tank guided missiles mounted on remote weapon stations. Its modular armor provides protection against heavy machine gun fire, artillery fragments, mines, and IEDs. Advanced day-night sights, thermal cameras, laser rangefinders, and digital communications enhance battlefield awareness. Defensive features include smoke grenade launchers, NBC protection, and fire suppression systems. Although not amphibious, its strong protection, mobility, and versatility make it one of the best wheeled IFVs available. The Patria AMV and upgraded AMV-XP are advanced 8x8 infantry fighting vehicles, developed by Finland's Patria. It is powered by Scania diesel engines producing up to 603 horsepower. They achieve road speeds exceeding 100 km per hour, and have a range of approximately 800 km. Amphibious variants can travel at around 10 km per hour in water using water jets. The vehicle carries a crew of 3, and up to 10 infantry soldiers. Its firepower options include remote weapon stations, 30mm or 35mm autocannons, and anti-tank guided missiles. Modular composite armor provides protection against heavy machine gun fire, mines, IEDs, and artillery fragments. Defensive systems include smoke launchers, NBC protection, and optional active protection systems. Advanced thermal sights, laser warning receivers, digital battlefield management, and 360-degree situational awareness technology enhance effectiveness. Its excellent mobility, protection, firepower, and adaptability make it one of the world's best wheeled IFVs.
The Stryker Dragoon is a powerful 8x8 infantry fighting vehicle. Developed in the United States by General Dynamics Land Systems, as an upgraded version of the Stryker family. It is powered by a 350 horsepower Caterpillar diesel engine. It reaches speeds of around 100 km per hour, and has a range of approximately 500 km. It carries a crew of 2, and up to 9 infantry soldiers. Its primary weapon is a 30mm XM813 Bushmaster automatic cannon, mounted in an unmanned turret, providing significantly greater firepower than earlier Stryker variants. SLAD armor, reinforced hull protection, mine-resistant features, smoke grenade launchers, and NBC protection enhance survivability. Its advanced thermal sights, day-night cameras, laser rangefinders, and digital battlefield management systems improve situational awareness. The Dragoon is not amphibious, but its mobility, firepower, and modern technology make it one of the best wheeled IFVs currently in service. The Freccia is a modern 8x8 infantry fighting vehicle, developed in Italy by the Iveco Oto Melara Consortium. Freccia is developed based on the Centauro platform. It is powered by a 550 horsepower Iveco diesel engine, enabling speeds of over 110 km per hour, and a range of approximately 800 km. The vehicle carries a crew of 3, and up to 8 infantry soldiers. Its main armament is a 25mm Oerlikon KBA automatic cannon, paired with a 7.62mm machine gun, while some variants can carry Spike anti-tank guided missiles. Its composite armor and mine protection provide strong battlefield survivability. Defensive systems include smoke grenade launchers, NBC protection, and automatic fire suppression systems. Advanced thermal sights, laser rangefinders, and digital battle management technology enhance situational awareness. Although not amphibious, its mobility, firepower, protection, and networked capabilities make Freccia one of the best wheeled IFVs in service. The VBCI, Véhicule Blindé de Combat d'Infanterie, is an advanced 8x8 infantry fighting vehicle, developed by France's Nexter Systems and Renault Trucks Defense. It is powered by a 550 horsepower Renault diesel engine. It reaches speeds of up to 100 km per hour, and has an operational range of approximately 750 km. The vehicle carries a crew of 3, and up to 8 infantry soldiers. Its primary armament is a 25mm M811 automatic cannon, with a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun, while newer variants can mount a 40mm CTA cannon. Its modular composite armor protects against heavy machine gun fire, mines, and artillery fragments. Defensive systems include smoke grenade launchers, NBC protection, and automatic fire suppression. Its advanced thermal imagers, laser rangefinders, digital battle management systems, and network-centric technology enhance battlefield awareness. Although not amphibious, its mobility, Protection, reliability, and combat effectiveness make it one of the world's best-wheeled IFVs, currently in service.
The Boxer is a highly advanced 8x8 infantry fighting vehicle, developed jointly by Germany and the Netherlands through ARTEC. It is powered by a 720 horsepower MTU diesel engine. It reaches speeds exceeding 100 km per hour, and has an operational range of approximately 1,000 kilometers. The vehicle carries a crew of 3, and up to 8 infantry soldiers. Depending on the variant, it can be armed with a 30mm automatic cannon, machine guns, remote weapon stations, mortars, artillery guns, and anti-tank guided missiles. Its modular composite armor provides exceptional protection against heavy machine gun fire, mines, IEDs, and artillery fragments. Defensive systems include smoke grenade launchers, NBC protection, and optional active protection systems, advanced thermal sights, laser warning receivers, 360-degree cameras, and digital battlefield management technology enhance situational awareness. Its superior protection, mobility, modularity, versatility, and combat effectiveness make Boxer one of the world's best-wheeled IFVs currently in service. And now, in number 1, the best-wheeled IFV currently in service is the Piranha 5.
The Piranha 5 is a modern 8x8, or 10x10, wheeled infantry fighting vehicle, developed by General Dynamics European Land Systems in Switzerland. It is designed for high mobility and battlefield survivability. It is powered by a 580 horsepower MTU diesel engine, achieving speeds over 100 km per hour, with a range of about 550 kilometers. The vehicle carries 3 crew members, and up to 8 infantry soldiers. Depending on a mission, its firepower options include a 30mm or 40mm autocannon, machine guns, grenade launcher, mortar, self-propelled artillery, and anti-tank guided missiles. Its modular armor protects against small arms fire, artillery fragments, mines, and IEDs. Defensive systems include NBCP-8 protection, laser warning receivers, smoke grenade launchers, and optional active protection systems. Advanced thermal sights, cameras, and digital battle management technology enhance situational awareness. And some variants offer amphibious capability. Its versatility, protection, mobility, and firepower make the Piranha 5 a leading and the best-wheeled IFV currently present in the world.
Well, there you have it, world's 10 best IFVs. Hope you all enjoyed. Give your thoughts in the comment box below. And also like, share, and subscribe for more defense-related contents in the future. Thanks for watching our video. Bye-bye.